Hey guys, welcome to Sam Tech Hub. So in this video I'll be showing you how to share your VPN internet connection to your laptop. So first of all, you go to pdanet.co. So you click on download Windows client app. Yeah, so it has been downloaded. Click on open file, install it. Please make sure you follow all the steps. It has not been installed, so I'll be using the USB mode. Go to your Play Store, type PDAnet Plus. I'll also share the links in the description. So I just plug in my device. I've already connected it. So I don't know, maybe you have on your developer mode on your phone, but I will show you the steps to do it. Just double tap on the, you have to tap 6 to 9 times to activate it. So you go to developer option and turn on USB debugging. Once you are done with that, get your USB cable, connect it to your system and to your phone also. Once that is done, then you click on connect. So once you have connected your USB to your system and your phone also, then you have to click on USB. Then you also go to your PDAnet, open the app and click on connect USB. Once you click on connect USB, it will automatically be connected. Just look at it, it has been connected. So I'll just switch my network to my SIM card without data and activate the VPN. So we'll see whether it is working or not. Please guys, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm starting the VPN. I think it is connected, but I have slow network at the moment. As you can see, my YouTube is not loading on the PC. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. That is just it. You can use it, does not matter the country you are in, you can use it. Just follow this procedure and you can share your VPN. As you can see, my YouTube is still having issue, no network, slow network. So let me just try again. I'll just search my YouTube channel, Sam Tech Hub. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it a lot. Make sure to subscribe, and you can also comment if you have any issue. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. The PDA Net Plus just work like let's say a proxy between your VPN and your system, because if you use your normal VPN, like you connect your normal VPN and on your phone hotspot, like you just be browsing, it will not be working. But with this PDA Net Plus, it will work perfectly.